Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. Welcome to Animation Capstone. This is week 6. We're over halfway through the course. That's right. So, almost getting through there. Really starting to see that really big videos start to come together with the first 30 seconds and everything. I'm really excited to take a look at that as well. So let's take a look at it. We're also going to take a look at how to use transitions and clips with transitions this week and how to really make that consistent and what are some pitfalls behind that and how we can really build on the first 30 seconds and also toward the last 15 seconds as well, where we can fit everything together. That's going to really work. So let's take a look at that real fast and get started with week 6. So what we have this week. So we're going to talk about more transitions with 3 different types. We're going to take a look at introduction to visual design and also some introduction to marketing choices as well. Not only that, we're going to show how to do quick transitions, and depending on the clips and how they move, you can have one scene wipe across real fast, or creating a new shape that flies across the screen, or masking out a piece of it from a previous shot and using it to bring it to the next one. Any way is great as long as you stay consistent. The more you use multiple different versions, the more you can confuse your viewer. And we'll talk more about that, especially with editing with similar clips and how things can move in similar movement. And this establishes a pattern, and you don't want to create those issues. Same thing with similar color, where you're editing clips so that that example works great, and how to apply that with different techniques with blur and different wiping and dissolves and different other examples of transitions. There's many different ways, and this establishes a type of pattern. Remember this, as you establish a theme, it ties into your art style. So make sure you are very consistent with everything and how it flows. And we'll talk more about that during lecture. Keep that in mind. That's going to be a Tuesday, always same time, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. If you have any questions, let me know. All the rubrics are tied to the announcements along with the live lecture link. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you're missing any assignments. That way I can help you out. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope to see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. Take it easy. On Tuesday. Take it easy. Bye-bye.